Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. I know we've been away for so long, but we are back. And before I forget, we will be posting new videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Today we're going to learn about how to make mandazi, and here are our ingredients. So we have eggs, flour, caster sugar, margarine, cinnamon, baking powder, oil, and milk. I also have some spare flour and an empty basin for mixing up the ingredients. So let's begin. So we're going to use a process called the rubbing method. I'll first start by mixing in our dry ingredients, then continually adding in the margarine, the eggs, and the milk. So into our empty basin, I'm going to add the flour, the baking powder, and the cinnamon. After that, I'm also going to add the sugar. Then I'll mix. After everything has mixed well, I'm going to add in now the margarine. After adding the margarine, all I'm going to do is now rub in the margarine with the flour. So after the margarine has rubbed in well with the flour and the dry ingredients, I'm going to add in the eggs one by one. Just doing the same rubbing method. So now I'll make a well in the middle of the basin, and then I'll start adding in the milk. So our dough is ready, and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And before I do that, I'll take these papers that are used to wrap bread and just cover the dough. So we're done with the first part. Now we're going to roll it, then cut it into small pieces, then deep fry it. So we're going to start by just taking a small piece. So I'm going to heat up the oil as I continue cutting up the duck pieces. So now our oil is ready and I'm going to start putting in the pieces one by one. So you're going to let them have a golden brown color, and that's when you know that they are ready. As you can see, they are almost done, and I have my empty basin ready, and I also have a paper towel inside. This is just to sip out the excess oil from the mandazi. So guys, our mandazi is ready. You can have it with either tea or coffee, and also you can have them as a snack. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time that we post a new video. Until next time, bye.